Now let us proceed ahead with the next question. Now the question says, which of the following represents the correct IUPAC name for the compounds? Now we have given the first one. The first one is Now, the first one is 2,2 dimethyl pentane or 2 dimethyl pentane. Now, if I carefully look into the naming from dimethyl, it is understood that there is what presence of 2-methyl group, right? So, there is a 2-methyl group present. And if it is a 2-methyl group, then definitely the correct IUPAC name, it should be what? The correct IUPAC name should be 2,2. The dimethyl group, it is present two times. So, two times you are going to write down the numbering. So, this is 2,2 dimethyl pentane. Okay, this is the correct IUPAC name. Coming to now the next one, B question. 2,4,7 trimethyl octane. Now here, if I look into 247 or 257, now which one is having the lowest numbering? Okay, the substituent or the locant, it is present on the lowest, it should be, the numbering should be the lowest. Now the next one is 247 or 257 trimethyl octane. Now the rule which we have studied is the locant or the substituent, it should get the lowest possible numbering. So from here, the lowest one is 247, right? So the correct answer is 247 trimethyl octane. And then what could be the reason? Lowest numbering. Okay, it should be lowest numbering. The next one, C, 2-chloro-4-methyl pentane or 4-chloro-2-methyl pentane. Now, over here, the substituent, suppose they are in the equivalent position, or if I say if there is a tie, right? So, if there is a tie, then definitely there should be some tiebreaker, right? Now, over here, the mistake made is that the chloro group and the methyl group, if I look into chloro group, it comes alphabetically first, right? So, if there is a tie, as I said, there will be a tiebreaker. And then the tiebreaker in this case is, since chloro, it comes alphabetically first, then the lower numbering should be given to chloro. Okay. So the naming, the correct naming is 2-chloro-4-methyl pentane. Okay. And what is the reason why this is the correct answer? Because chloro, it comes alphabetically first. So lower number should be given. So lower numbering should be given. Clear? Then coming to D. D is but 3YN 1OL or but 4OL 1YN. Now, again, if I look into both the compounds over here, out of the two functional groups, right? Out of the two functional groups present in the given compound, I can see that the alcoholic group is the principal functional group. Okay, because a triple bond and OL if I have, then definitely lowest possible number should be given to the functional group, because already we have studied the functional group priority sequence, right? You can check that video which I have shared already. Also in that video, I have shared a best trick to remember the priority order for polyfunctional group. So over here, OL, that is OH group, it should be given the lowest numbering. So the first naming is correct. That is but 3YN1OL. Okay, so this is the correct answer. So I hope the concept is clear. The concept related to IUPAC is now clear to you, because we have solved many examples in all the previous lectures, and as well as in this lecture, we have studied which is the correct IUPAC name and why not the other. Okay, the reasons also I have given you in detail. I hope you have understood the entire concept. Still, if you have any doubt, any difficulty, you can write down in the comment box. So I've written the reason also for the last question, why but 3yn 1-ol is the correct name. The reason I have mentioned in the bracket. Thank you.